In 2009, Busch Gardens removed the fan-favorite coaster, the Big Bad Wolf, to make space for an even bigger and better coaster. Verbolten was built and designed by Zire, a German roller coaster manufacturer. Verbolten features two launches with a top speed of 53 miles per hour and a drop height of 88 feet. However, I think the standout part of the ride is the drop track in the dark that drops you 18 feet before sending riders to the tallest and most iconic part of the ride, the drop along the side of the Rhine River. And before I show my model, please consider subscribing. It greatly supports the channel and helps me to be able to make even larger models. And without further ado, this is my model of Verbolten from Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, made from NEX.